Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 16 by 20 inch pre-primed black canvas, a pie cutter, some weird little acetate tools stuck to skewers with clear duct tape and then folded, and part of a mixing spoon stuck to the residual handle of a spatula that I took the head off of and can't even find, but that would be a tool I'd like to use now too if I could. So I also have swipe cards. My plan includes basically finding the black paint that was here a moment ago, there it is, and laying myself down a cool pattern and adding some colors to the cool pattern and then swiping. So this is a radical idea for me because I've never done anything quite exactly like this. And I'm just going to keep using the colors that I like and putting them down and maybe shaking a bottle or two. And that was, I should tell you what these colors are, shouldn't I? That was a turquoise that I mixed myself, so that makes it a hard place to start. This is an amethyst from Artist Loft. I could probably call this something interesting no matter what. I can't wait to find out what happens with this, honestly. I may have already gone further than I was comfortable with. Where's my gold? That'll help. I'm going to look for the Venetian blue in a second. I'm going to throw a few dark colors in here, if I can. There's the dioxazine purple. I need a fair amount of paint to make this work. What was that? A bubble? Okay. I'm good with a bubble. I haven't put any white metallic in. I've been using, and I'm not going to now either, I've been using the silver. Maybe I'll do that. No, I got it open. I'd like some very contrasting colors all mixed together for when I do this. I haven't used any real orange, and I kind of want some. I have been seemingly avoiding my usual, which is a Hobby Lobby brand Modern Masters. Oh, I got the plug out. Awesome. I am having fun putting paint down. Let's see, what else is there? Oh, Hot Orchid from Color Art. Can't go on without that. Well, I guess I can if it's not open. I guess I'll be finding another bottle of something mixed like that. That's not open either. Wow, maybe I'm not supposed to use it in this one. I got it. Yay! And there's not a lot left there anyway. Oh, that's perfect. Like that. No idea what's going to happen next. But I got a pretty cool painting right now, I gotta say. I never did use any of the Venetian blue, so where is it? It's right here. And with the Venetian blue, I like to use the lighter color too. Also, it occurs to me, I very much like using the green gold with the turquoise, and so that's going to go right there. Is that the only green gold I got? No. Okay, so here goes nothing. I hope that's wrong. That's the purple flash from Folk Art. I am going to start, what am I going to start with? I'm going to start with my shovel, and I'm going to dip it into some paint. Some Amsterdam black. Let it clean itself off on the edge. I wasn't sure, and I'm still not sure how this is going to work. Let me use my little tool. Clean it off on the edge. It's an experiment, what can I say? There's no guarantees. I might go back and add some more colors though. Or I might move my tool from one colorful place to the next. It looks like a big snake up there. I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm not sure about in here either. What did I do with that hot orchid? There it is. It's my favorite part so far. So since I've never smeared this to any particular location, let me try my other tool. One may work better than another. Every time I get a finger full of paint, I'll let it roll over the side. It's sort of a light touch. It's pretty cool. I want more white. It's going to be unlike anything that's ever come before it, for sure. Well, you know, I say that, but I'm not sure. That's the way it seems at the moment, anyway. And the Meeden paint is the black paint that I started with, so the tendency is for that to sell also. But the Amsterdam is definitely set up to do so. Oh, it's a great little stamp for the side. Excellent. And a dog hair magnet. Wow. I like having a tool I can twiddle and twist around in my hand. I've been looking forward to doing this for a while. I think I need a little more white here in all this black. And maybe throw a little bit of that blue in there too. Let's wipe off my tool someplace it's useful. can't just be black there. I gotta be patient and let the cells come up, because they do. This is just as much fun as I was hoping it was going to be, basically. And almost done. Really cool. I'm stoked. I can't help it. I don't know what that is. Oh, paint chip. A little more white. A little more what? A little more gold. That's the Decor Americana 24 karat gold with orange in it. I want some of this paint over here. Some of that black over here. It seems like it's okay to leave some of the colors unmessed with, unswiped, because they make nice accents. Well, that's a lot of fun. I'm not solidly, perfectly clear on whether my composition is something I want. I'd like to take some of the paint that I have left from the last painting and do some spins anywhere it seems like I can use up my excess. And that's not a bad thing. Let's just use all of that we can get. And maybe some more. I've got paint on the back of my shovel that's perfect for that. Well, I say that. I guess I'm just going to throw some more down there. Which is not a problem, really. Because I really wanted to anyway. This is so much fun. I definitely think you ought to make yourself some tools. And I think the square one is even better than the one I thought was going to be the better one, which was the oval. I've got a little bit more blue right there. Come on, out you come. Oop. Just use that right on the edge. Yeah, these little tools are great for the edges. Well, that's that. That's too much fun. I've got a couple of places that I think I might want to pick up a little paint and put it right in the background because there's some scuff marks. I expect I could probably get better at this with a little bit of practice. But that's fabulous fun. That's really fun. Oh, I'm stoked. Let me steal a little paint. Let me put a little paint right on my Nada brush. Okay, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Playing with new tools and having a successful time of it. Please give me a thumbs up. Please watch my videos longer. It's the most important thing you can possibly do is to watch longer. It raises my status on YouTube incredibly compared to even views. More important than views. Oh, I have a new torch, new tank of gas, so I got to be really careful. The recipe for the Amsterdam Black with the pre-stained wood conditioner that I'm using as a cell activator is underneath the video with the regular pouring recipe right next to it, or around it. Oh my gosh, I'm so stoked! This is everything I wanted and then some, and now I'm going to be able to do my dragon. Woo! Sorry, I can't help it. I know, I'm completely foolish. Now I just want to do my dragon. You can probably imagine one in there somewhere. There's this, well no, never mind. Next time. I'm going to have to look for things also, like that thing I just saw that came out. Oh wow, that's awesome. Okay, so I think even this could have some dots. very easily. Why not? Really? Why not dot? Okay, so there's over 19 lists. There's 19 lists with 100 videos each on them. And then there's topics and genres. And if you're looking for something, please ask me. But if you want to look for yourself, look for all playlists, creative playlists, and you will find about 2,000 videos, 100 of which that you can actually watch. If you guys have questions, please ask me. I think I mentioned that. I'm not sure. I'm really distracted by this piece. I want to zoom in for you guys. It's mind-boggling. Maybe if I do it this way. My tile is offset. Wow! Oh boy. I'm going to try and move my camera mount, which doesn't move very easily right now because it's not actually the mount anymore. Look at that. But if I unlock the brake. So, thank you guys for all the wonderful comments you leave me to keep my morale boosted. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Really appreciate that. Let's hope I can... Yep. It's in the right position. Excellent. Alright, so my Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is under the video. It's the first blue link. It has my Amazon link where you can find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Also on the link tree, you can find my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more for shoppingpixels.com and Find Art America. Also, incidentally, on the link tree, I'm giddy, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Pinterest, you can find the new videos coming up. Instagram, you can find my recent work. My email address is below the link tree. Should you have an interest in purchasing an artwork, you can use my email address and the hashtag and the file number in the title of the video, or send me a screenshot, or watch an exhibition video and give me the time and the date. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, so you can get information from me that way. I torched, released the bubble scotch and the paint. I use GAC 800 by Golden in my recipe, which is underneath the video under Show More. You got to click Show More, and the menu will drop down, and you'll see the description, and my pouring recipe is in there, along with the cell activator recipe, which is the Amsterdam Black with the pre-stained wood conditioner. What else do I need to tell you? Teespring Clothing. If you want to see a design added to anything, then Teespring Clothing or pixels.com and Find Art America. Either one. Teespring has Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. Yeah, I'm going to add a couple spirals. Because I Can is the name of my first book. And Unlimited Possibilities, ta-da! It's my second book. And I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night I post also at 10 p.m. I'm not sure what time the daytime ones will be. But I am finished for right now. And this may show before or after my dragon. But there's a dragon coming in my future. And I'm so stoked. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you guys. Come again. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you anon. Bye.